Today we have second largest number using arrays in the set. Find out the second largest number using arrays in C. So now we just mentioned a header file and include stereo.h int main. Firstly, we consider array of size 7 like range -4, 7, 6, 1, 2, 9, 11. Now we take int I, max is equal to AR of 0, and for second largest number we consider mean is equal to AR of 0. That's it. Now we start with a loop for I is equal to 0, I less than 7, I plus plus. We don't use this column here, otherwise it is going to terminate the for loop. Now start with curly braces. Now if ARI is greater than max, if ARI is greater than max, then with mean is equal to max and max is equal to ARI. That's it. Else if mean is less than AR of I and we use AND operator, max is not equal to AR of I equal to I, mean is equal to AR of I. And that's it. There is only one statement, so we don't need to use curly braces, and close the curly braces. Now we just need to print printf second largest number is %d is mean, and printf largest number is %d max, and return 0 and close the process of program. Now we have an array of size 7 and element is -4, 7, 6, 1, 2, 9, 11, and indices are 0, 1, 2. When we talk about indices, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 index. So when we find out working of this program, then firstly I is equal to, firstly we consider I, ARI, and max, mean. Anything else we want? No, just if we can't use this condition, even though we get a result, but not for all, there are some value that going to fetch with error. And even we need to consider minimum value with this statement. There is a no quantification between both the statement like mean and max. So now firstly I is equal to 0, I is equal to 0, and we have a max and mean. AR of 0 is what? -4, and even in a mean value AR of 0 is mean, then we have a -4 value. Now AR of 0 that is -4. -4 is greater than max. -4 is greater than max. No, -4 is not greater than max. Now this condition is not going to hit, so we check for as if mean -4 is less than -4. If I note -4 is not less than -4, so both the condition are not going to hit. We use this condition only when if this condition is not going to correct. Where the condition is fail, this if condition, then we use this as if statement. Now I becomes 1. 1 is less than 7. Yes, 1 is less than 7. Then AR of 1, AR of 1, that is 7. 7, 7 is greater than max. 7 is greater than minus 4. Yes, 7 is greater than minus 4. Now, in a mean minus 4 is included. So minus 4 is already included. And in a max is equal to AR of 5. AR of 5 is what? 7. So max becomes 7. Now, again, I value becomes 2. I value becomes 2. 2 is less than 7. Yes, 2 is less than 7. AR of 2. AR of 2 is what? 6. So this value becomes 6. 6 is greater than minus 7. Max is 7. 6 is greater than 7. Not 6 is not greater than 7. So we check for else condition. Mean is minus 4 is less than 6. Minus 4 is less than 6. Yes, minus 4 is less than 6. So mean is equal to AR of y, that is our 6. Now we increase I value, I plus plus, I becomes 3. I 3, then AR of 3 becomes 1. This value becomes 1. Now 1 is greater than 7. Max value 1 is greater than 7. No, 1 is not greater than 7. So now this condition is not going to it. So we check for else condition. Mean 6 is less than 1. Not 6 is not less than 1. Just keep it as it is and just increase the I value. I becomes 4. I plus plus. Now I 4, AR 4 is equal to 2. AR 4 is equal to 2. So 2 is greater than 7. No, 2 is not greater than 7. So check for else condition. 6 is less than 2. No, 6 is not less than 2. So we just increase with I value, I plus plus, I 5. I becomes 5. Now AR of 5 becomes 9. Now 9 is greater than 7. Yes, 9 is greater than 7. Then mean value become max. So previous max, that is 7. And max value becomes 9, AR of 5. So it becomes 9. So now we increase the I value. I becomes 6. I becomes 6. Now AR of 6 becomes 11. It becomes 11. So it's become 11. So 11 is greater than max. 11 is greater than max. Yes, 11 is greater than max. 11 is greater than max 11 is greater than 9, so mean becomes max. So mean becomes max and max become 11. So we now increase the value of I becomes 7, and 7 is not less than 7, so we exit from for loop, and we have just leave this condition. Max is not equal to AR of I. We need to check both the condition in a similar fashion. So we need to, suppose we wanna check so we need to check again. Otherwise, if any value A mean is even for 6 we can get mean value like 7 is our max and -4 is mean, -4 is mean, and AR of one I value 1. Now when we increase I value to AR of 2 become 6. 6 is greater than 7, no, 6 is not greater than 7. We now come to the else condition. 6 is less than mean, -4 is less than 6, yes, -4 is less than 6, and max, that is not equal to AR of 5. Max is our 7, that is not equal to AR of y, that is our 6. It is not equal to, so mean becomes 6. So mean becomes 6. Just we check it like this. Again we go with, for increment in I value, I becomes 3. Same condition. Yeah, 3. So without this we can also get the result, but in some question we didn't get a result, like if we have a number is 6 6, then we can't get this result, like 9 9, then it without this we going to difficult get a result. So in the next video we will discuss about third largest number, and this we get a result printf second largest number. In next video we discuss about third largest number.